My, everyone, my name is Nishat Nabilah, and I'm grateful for this opportunity that my teacher has given me. Today I was here to talk about environmental pollution, but I want to talk about something I think is more important, and that is our selfishness. This must be getting really weird that I was not supposed to change the topic, but I think our selfishness is the main reason of environmental pollution. Pollution actually means the demolition of the vital elements of nature like air, water, soil, etc. So first I'm going to talk about air pollution. Air is most important thing for our life. We breathe oxygen, which is a most important part of air. So when we make fire and we burn gas, we drive these extra motor cars and buses, vehicles, they basically produce a lot of carbon dioxide, which is the main reason of air pollution and global warming both. Then I'm going to talk about water. Water is called life. So when you're walking on a sea beach, and you just have something on your hand, and when you do not need it, you just throw it in the water. That's how mainly water pollution gets started. So not only that, our domestic waste and also the mills and factories throw their waste into water, and also some lawn steamers and these vehicles dump their oil into the water. Then I want to talk about soil. Soil is the source of our food. So nowadays, because of the growing population, we are cutting trees to make abodes and cultivating land. So when we are using this extra chemical fertilizer and pesticides, they're supposed to make the land fertile, but because of that we do not know the right amount to put chemical fertilizer and pesticides, the lands are actually becoming infertile, and that is also the reason of water pollution. Then comes the sound and odor pollution. And that is a big problem in our big cities, and I'm sure we all have suffered from this problem a lot. So what happens is car horns and mics are the main reason of sound pollution, and open drains, wastage everywhere are the main reason of odor pollution. Pollution has caused a lot of problems to all of us, but I'm not going to talk about all of that. I'm just going to talk about the major problems, and that is because of the global warming, the sea level is rising, and also the land is becoming infertile, and instead they're dry and sometimes salty, and there are some diseases that are spreading very fast and frequently, and that is mainly the harms of pollution. I've talked a lot about pollution, so I did not talk about how to solve it. So right now, there is no man in no country who is not concerned about the problem of pollution. So there is really easy ways to solve it, and that is we have to plant a lot of trees, and we cannot throw wastage everywhere. And you have to remember one thing, that just being concerned about a problem is not enough. We have to try hard to solve it. And we have to remember another thing, that only our doing now can make a big change tomorrow, and only we can make this world a better place for living.